If you want to make your channel searchable on YouTube, you want your channel to be searchable, want people to start seeing your channel, want it to be searchable on YouTube, there's 4 important things you need to do for your channel to be searchable on YouTube. And the 4 are also all important. So make sure you listen to the end. That's my favorite for the first. Then this Create Vibes with Nick. Talk about YouTube growth, content creating, and much more. So if you subscribe to the channel, do what to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. What's one thing you need to do is that you have to put your channel name on different places. Let me first show you. So you go to your YouTube studio, you put your channel name on your YouTube studio, your YouTube studio, your Chrome browser, go to settings. So you put channel, just let it say channel, click on channel. So look at it here where they put keywords. It's basic information. The last one, keywords. Make sure your channel name is there. Look at my own, Create Vibes with Nikki. That's my channel name. So make sure it's there. You can put it 1, 2, 3 times. But make sure the first thing you are putting there is your channel name before you put other things there. Make sure it is very important for you to put your channel name there if you want your channel to be searchable on YouTube. Second one is still on the Chrome now. Click on customization. You can say click on customization. So where they put description, make sure you also put your channel name in your description. And you can say I put my own welcome to Create Vibes and another thing. And now you want to put it, you can say hi, this is Create. Hi, I put your channel name there, or hello, put your channel name there. But make sure your channel name is also on your this is your channel description. Make sure it's on your channel description. It is very important for your channel. If you want it to be searchable, put your channel name on your channel description. The next one is when after you upload your video, you are putting your video description. Also, make sure you put your channel name there also. Let me show you where you are supposed to put your description. Make sure you put your channel name at your description. This is my channel, so I didn't put your channel name. So make sure I choose a short video. That is why it's not there. Make sure you put your channel name on your description. So put your channel name on your description. And the next one is your tag. Where you're putting your tag, your video tags, also put your channel name there. Where they say tags. This video is the channel that is not there. Make sure you also put your channel name in your tag. So be wondering how you did not put a channel name there and you should put it there. Because this is short, I did not put it. This is called anytime you are posting your videos in your description, also in your tag, make sure you put your channel name for. Your channel name should be the first thing you put in your tags. If you do all these 3 elements, your channel will be searchable on YouTube. People will quickly see your channel and they will easily watch your videos and start having more views on YouTube. So that is why you need to put your it's very important for you to start having people them so you can having views on YouTube. You have watched this and let's subscribe to my channel. Do it to subscribe to the channel. Like the video. See you in my next video. Bye.